Yo, what is up guys, this is Hadi from HadiTech back with another video. In today's video guys, we're going to be showing you how to actually work with one of the best AI training companies, which is Lionbridge, and they are actually shortlisting in the very recent days. They have multiple projects actually going on, and they are onboarding people. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about one of their projects that it is actually ongoing right now, and you need to sign up for it so you don't miss the chance on a high paying job. This job actually is paying from $5 to $7 if I'm not really mistaken. That's what I read from the instruction and details they offer you once you sign up through their portal. And like I said, these type of jobs, when it comes to the AI training jobs, they go by one rule, which is first come first serve. So indeed, if you are watching this video, you better act fast and secure a position with Lionbridge. All right, so like I said before, everything will be shown and talked about in this video. The links that are used will be in description below as well, so please go ahead and click the first link in the description down below. It will redirect you to their Aurora Studio portal, which you need to have an account in here. It's like their distinctive department for AI jobs. So the first thing that you need to do is just click on create an account. It's just fairly easy and straightforward. Choose contributor right here, and in here as well fill in your first name, last name, and username. Also fill in the other details, which is the email, the password. Once you do that, they will tell you to set up a 2FA to secure your account, and once you do that, you will be in Aurora Studio. In my case, I do have an account with Aurora, but I need to show you one of the fundamental stuff that you need to do on your profile in order to get the invitation to this job, so you can take the exam, and if you pass the exam, you will get shortlisted afterwards. All right, so let's just do that. All right, as you can see guys, you need to complete these steps in order to get an invite to the annotation task, which is up here. As you can see, I have a timer. I need to actually finish this task within the limited time or the shown time right here. All right, but for you, the first step that you need to do is just click on account, right, and just click on personal details, and in here just go over your personal details, double check everything is just correct. Once you do that, click on your contributor profile, which is the important tab that you have to set up before getting an invite to this task. Click on contributor profile, and in here you gotta select all the tasks that you want to be invited to. So in my case, I've just selected all of them. I just want to be part of every single task that is included in here, and feel free to select whatever you are comfortable working with. And down here there is a couple yes and no questions that you need to answer as well. Once you do that, move on to the next tab, which is the about you tab, and also you will have yes and no questions. Mostly feel free to take the ones that you are comfortable sharing information about yourself with Lionbridge. If you are not comfortable sharing your information with this company, then just select no and move on to the next step. But I do advise you to give as much information about you as possible to these companies, because they will match you with tasks that are aligned with your expertise. So yeah, that's that. Once you finish with the about you section, click on the game profile section as well. And if you are into games and if you play games, they do have a distinctive department for that as well, which they will invite you to test some games and gaming tasks essentially. So feel free to add your game stuff in here, your preferences, what do you like, what you do not like, what games do you play, etc. All those stuff, like I said, contribute to you getting matched with good tasks. And as well in here, game accounts, you gotta add your game accounts on different platforms. What are the platforms that you are on, the games that you play, all of that good stuff. Location is also a important tab that you need to fill in. So if you don't see these, all you need to do is just go back to the about you section and just tick yes for the sections that you want to appear here. So if I do click yes, there is a section in here, it will just pop up, or it will be added in here. So if you don't see all of these, all you need to do is just take the ones that I am highlighting right here. Okay, so that's what you need to do. Hardware is also a tab that you need to do. You need to fill in your PC hardware and stuff like that. So like I said before, if you get invited to these game tests, you will also need to put in your hardware, so you will get matched with the perfect tasks. Social accounts, also add those in here. Employment status, definitely add this one, and do not miss on this one too. Software skills, in here is just one of the most essential tabs that you can go over. So fill in your software skills. So if you have any skills with any softwares, as you can see, there are multiple here: Google softwares, bug reporting tools, translation tools, etc. So if you have any experience with any of these tools, please make sure to include them in here. Interests and hobbies, also you gotta go over this one. It does not really matter that much, but go ahead and fill that one too. Education is also important, so if you have a degree, please include that in here too. Religion does not really matter. Ethnicity also does not matter. Sexual orientation does not really matter, from what I've seen before, because I have people join in and qualify on their annotation task without even filling these details. But you can go ahead and just add them too. Accessibility, you can also do this one. And experience and background, which is very important. So you gotta fill in the experience and background tab. You gotta add your expertise, projects that you have worked on before, if you have experience with AI training jobs, annotation, all of those stuff. They will give you higher chances of actually getting shortlisted on newer tasks. I won't forget the languages tab. So in the contributor profile, click languages, and in here just add all the languages that you can speak. This will also increases your chances of getting shortlisted in their new upcoming tasks. And all you need to do now is just play the wait game. It usually takes from 1 day to 2 days to get an invite to their annotation task, and from there you can start working on this task. Now this task is actually segmented into two parts. The first part is actually the practice task, so you need to do like a little exam, like a preliminary exam. They will give you a document, you gotta read that document, and they will also provide you with a video that you need to watch. It will explain everything that you need to do or you need to know, and from that point on you can just get to the exam, do the exam, and if you get qualified, you will start working on Aurora Studio. And like I said before, it's a lucrative opportunity. They pay from $5 to $7 per hour annotating some queries on Amazon. So this is the premise of this task, so do not miss on this opportunity. And on that note, we'll just go ahead and wrap up this video. If you found this video quite helpful, please comment and like this video. It helps us carry on, bring you more opportunity, jobs, ways to make money online. So yeah, definitely a sub would be truly appreciated. Like I said, if you guys are interested in AI training jobs and making money with these type of jobs, please do let me know in the comment section down below, and I will cover more companies that are shortlisting right now. This was Hadi from Hadi Tech. Take care of yourselves, guys. See you in the next one, and peace.